Hello friends, today in this video we will see speech on Guru Purnima. Good morning everyone. My name is Vedant. Today we are celebrating Guru Purnima. I wish you all a very happy Guru Purnima. In our lives, Guru is like a candle. They shape our future. They help us become good human beings. Without their guidance, we cannot achieve true success in life. Today, let us promise to respect our teachers and make them proud through our actions. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat. Thank you, dear friends. Please like, share and subscribe Learn as a Speech for more educational videos.